Welcome to the Riders Competition Workshop. In this video, we will discuss how you can create your own competition track. First, open the nav bar and click on the Workshop Scene tab, where you can create both your competition track and your robot design. Activate Editor Mode. On the left side menu, you'll find various challenging arena blocks for designing infinite track layouts. When you drag any block onto the screen, the points where it can connect to other blocks are highlighted with red snap points. You can rotate the blocks in any direction using the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard, adjusting the ROT X, ROT Y, ROT Z settings in the pop-up menu, or by using the arrows provided. Some blocks have special settings. For example, on the SkyTrain block, you can adjust how many seconds the moving bar waits at each end. On the pit block, you can modify how long the platform stays up or down. To easily access or delete any element in the design area, you can use the item tree. To select all connected elements in a group, simply double-click on any component in that group. You can undo your changes by pressing Ctrl-Z or redo them with Ctrl-Y. Now, let's create a simple track. In the simulation window, there are two different modes. Play mode is the mode you currently see, where your code is ready to run, and edit mode allows you to edit the track or your robot. While in play mode, any changes you make will reset once you start and stop the simulation. For example, if you click on the robot's camera, a menu will appear on the side where you can access the camera's pixel data. When you click on Camera HUD, this data will also appear at the bottom of the simulation screen. However, these changes will disappear when you stop and restart the code. If you switch to edit mode, select the camera and enable Camera HUD, the change will be saved and remain visible until you disable it again. In edit mode, you can freely move your robot over the tracks. To ensure the robot stays on the tracks while moving, you can enable the Track Surfaces option. Alternatively, in play mode, clicking on markers will teleport your robot to that area. The time elapsed from the start of the simulation and the points earned by the robot on the track can be seen at the top of the screen. The time spent between red markers affects the score displayed here. When creating your own track, you can click on any marker and use the settings menu to define how many points can be earned from that marker. To make the markers visible, you can select Marker Active. You can set a condition where the robot must pass through another marker before earning points from a specific one. Click on any track and assign it a name like Marker 1. Specify in the settings that points can only be earned from this marker after passing another marker, like Marker 2. Now, select another track and name it Marker 2. At this point, Marker 1 becomes dependent on Marker 2. As you can see, the robot didn't earn points when passing Marker 1 initially. After passing Marker 2, the robot returned to Marker 1 and earned the points. The arena block track includes a time limit. Once the robot enters this area, the timer starts, and any balls thrown into the green zone during this time will earn points. To save your track, click the Settings button at the top of the screen, select Duplicate File, give your track a name, and press OK. To continue working on the same track later, click the Settings button again and select the saved track. We're confident you'll create very fun and challenging tracks. Have fun!